to do a quick demo of how to use the Ergo Omni in a cross position rather than the ruck strap position. I've already put the Omni on, so the waistband is here, lumbar support around here, feeling nice and snug, just sitting kind of on my waist. Okay, what you're going to do is go ahead and pick baby up, position them onto the centre of the carrier. This baby's got too much clothing on. So you've got a nice sitting position and they're in the centre. Slide your hand underneath the panel and push upwards. Now start with one strap, so one strap up and over your shoulder. Now pushing it up from here and pushing it far back onto your back as you can. Swap hands, reach behind with this hand, get hold of the strap, nice pull downwards rather than pulling across first, pull downwards, come round. Make sure you've got enough. Pull it down. Make sure you've got enough buckle to come round. Come round and then plug your buckle in here and pull backwards. Now we'll tighten up again in a second. So strap up over your shoulder. Manoeuvre round. Hold. Tug downwards. Bringing the buckle round. You'll see here, and whoops, slightly wrong, clip in there, pull backwards. Okay, so now this sometimes feels more comfortable on the front. Now just make sure again that your baby's in a nice tilted, pelvis tilted forward position, that their arms are both up here and that the baby is sitting nice and centrally. Now if you feel, now here I can see I've got quite a lot of gap here, so I'm just going to lift the shoulder strap up from here and come round, and I can see that I've got quite a lot of slack here, so I'm just going to tighten backwards again. Okay, and then I'm going to lift from here up, find the slack and tighten. So it should feel nice and snug. The strap should be nice sitting on your shoulder, shouldn't be up here near your neck, and hopefully the cross should be quite far down on your back. It is quite thickly padded, the Ergo, so it doesn't always sit that flat on your shoulders compared to some of the other carriers, but if you're struggling to use it in the ruck strap position and clipping the strap on your back, which I really struggle to do because I've got T-Rex arms and I can't reach, I find that a cross strap is actually more comfortable for me personally on my front, but it's just another way that you can use the Ergo if you don't like to do the cross strap. Ruck strap. So to take them off, you're going to have to go in, find your safety buckle, pull it upwards so you can see there. You need to push it upwards and unclip. Same on this side. So push it, I'll do it from that side so you can see. It moves up and down, push it upwards, unclip. So unclip both of them first, never take the waistband off first, always the side clips. Slide your hand inside, let the carrier drop away. Baby, safe. Up and out, and then you're good to take the carrier off on this side. There, and we're good to go. Okay, thank you very much, bye.